and it's something that really enables you to leverage the power of AI.
AI is reshaping HR technology faster than any change in the field has ever seen. And with the opportunity comes also uncertainty. That's why Assessio has released the AI in HR report, a guide to help HR leaders through the noise and understand what responsible, validated AI really means in practice.
The report explores how AI can enhance fairness, improve decision quality, and strengthen transparency without losing sight of what HR is truly about: people. It offers practical insights on how AI can help HR make valid, data-driven talent decisions rooted in science and ethics.
For more than 70 years, Assessio has helped organizations understand what truly drives people at work. Our foundation is science, rigorous, validated, and focused on fairness. Now that same scientific legacy is evolving with AI.
Assessio AI brings together decades of psychometric research and advanced technology to help organizations make better, more transparent people decisions. It's not about replacing human judgment, it's about strengthening it.
By combining behavioral science and interpretational power with data, Assessio AI turns complexity into clarity. Who will thrive? How will this team work best? And where can this employee grow? All based on validated input to ensure reliability, relevance, and fairness, so that AI supports predictive power and inclusion, not bias.
Because in HR, decisions are not just data points. They shape careers, cultures, and the future of work.
It's basically all up to you as recruiters how you want to handle this. At Assessio, we believe the power of AI should always serve people, helping leaders make decisions based on data they can trust, and consequently build workplaces where everyone has the chance to succeed and thrive.
Finding talent isn't magic, it's science.